I'm going to be showing you how to use Digital Planner from Etsy. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to Etsy. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead on tap here, and once you're there, we need to do is look at the bottom where you can find the option to view. So that's your account. Just go ahead on tap here, and then you need to find purchases and reviews. As you can see, purchases is right there. So what you need to do is tap there, and then you need to find the order you're looking for, and then you'll have the option to download the files, and you'll usually get a PDF file, and then you just need to choose an app to open it. Digital planners are not used like normal PDFs. You need a note app. Some of the popular apps are GoodNotes for iPad, Notability, Zoto. So these apps let you write on the planner. So you can import the planner, just open GoodNotes or something like that, and then you can have the option to import and select your downloaded PDF, and planner will open inside the app. And then you can start using it, like write with stylus and type in text, highlight, add stickers. You can also use hyperlinks, which is very important. Most Etsy planners are hyperlinked. You can tap tabs like months, weeks, sections, and instantly navigate pages. You can customize your planner as well, and you also can keep backup, save file in Google Drive or iCloud, and learn your app. So in this way, you can successfully use Digital Planner from Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.